Hello everyone, we are presenting a small drama. Our topic is women empowerment.
How many difficulties a woman faces when she goes for a job?
In our drama, there are two scenes. First is a home scene and second is office scene. In first scene, I am the mom, he is the dad, she is our daughter and he is our son.
And in second scene, I am the only female employee in the office and they all are male employees.
Where is his lovely daughter? It's too late. Why is she so late?
Don't worry, Cole, she might be coming.
Oh, I have to do all the work of house. She is not helping me in anything. I am so tired.
Oh, I am also very tired, so what?
Then,
Knock, knock.
who is there? Open the door.
Oh, Khushi, come, my daughter, come.
I
Sit.
am very tired today. There was a lot of
Why are you
work.
late? Is it time to come?
Mama, there was a lot of work in the office. That's why I am late.
Then why are you not leaving this job? I am told you 100 of times.
It's her passion, let her do.
You don't do anything. People are saying many things about our girl.
It's people's job to say something. Let them say.
I like to do job. I don't want to be dependent on anyone.
You both are not understanding me, yaar. I'm tired of both of you.
Knock.
Now who is there? Khushi, open the door.
Why me? I have to do all the work.
I'm very tired, Mom.
Oh, my son is looking very tired. Khushi, bring some water for your brother.
Why did she go?
Why? She is a girl and she has to do all the works.
I am also tired.
No, I don't know anything. Go and drink water. Oh, my son is looking very tired.
Yes, really, he is looking very tired. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
to
morning,
all.
sir.
Morning,
This
sir.
So, yesterday I told you to make a project of a mall.
Yes, sir.
So-
We completed.
Yes, sir, we completed.
I also completed.
Yeah, so please give your presentation. Project. So first is your
Okay, sir.
exterior design is very good.
Thank you, sir.
It's nice.
Thank you,
I will
sir.
think about this.
Okay, sir.
And next one is your.
Okay, sir.
It's really good.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Something is missing in this.
What?
Oh, you forgot stairs.
Oh, stairs? Yes, I forgot.
You rejected your. And last one is Hussi's. It's good. It's really good. So this is very good. So you should be the project head of this project.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
you will assist him.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is this? This is my project. Then I should be the project head.
Yeah, but you are a girl. You can't do like him. You can't do this much hard work.
Sir, I can do. Give me chance.
No, I can't take risk. This is very big project.
No, sir. Yes, sir. I will manage all the thing.
I can also manage.
Yeah, but you have to go so late and go many times to field. How can you manage this?
Yes, sir. You are right.
Sir,
How
I
you
can manage. Please let me do that.
No, I don't want to hear anything. Please go. Please leave. You both wait.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So.
Sir, why are you not giving this project to her? After all, she is her project.
Yeah, but she is a girl. She can't manage this all. So I am trusting on you, both of you. You have to give
Okay, sir.
me
Okay,
best.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to do better than her.
Okay, sir. We have to do.
No, why are you saying so slowly? Nobody is listening us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
It's
we
my
are.
cabin.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Oh, see, come.
Sir, I listened whatever you said. But this is not good. This is not right. This is my project and I should be the project head.
But you can't do. I already tell you.
I already told you that I can do. If you are talking about late night project, then I am ready. It's my problem. Then let me do. Let me handle it. I can do it.
Yeah, I also know your house environment.
No, Khushi, sir is right.
Sir, but I can't agree with you. I think she is right. It's her project, so let her do.
And if you are talking about house environment, that is my personal problem. You don't have to mix personal and professional life.
Yes, sir, we should encourage women to do work. We can't do this to any woman.
Yes, sir, I think she is right.
If I can make project, then I can implement that also.
Okay, if both of you are saying so, okay, you will be the project hand and you will assist her.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Because sir, we have to give chances to girl. Because many fields we are not giving chances to girl. It is also important to make girl confident and make them feel like they are also the a part of our society.
Empowering women is the key to building a society we want.
We have to give it chances to a woman, because when women do a work, it's look beautiful, because when she know by her work, not by her looks.
Women empowerment refers to making a woman capable to take her decisions. In the earlier age, women were like they have no existence. People don't give them respect. They were only a thing that used to give birth to child. Nothing. They don't have any value. But now women are empowering themselves, and many women are helping them to improve themselves and empowering themselves. We should also help women to empower themselves.
When a woman stands for herself, she stands for all women.
We have to empower women.